pour in the Orbeez first. Have our Christmas tree. Isn't that so beautiful? And we're gonna keep the lights on for a moment, and then we're gonna turn it off. And then I have some little sparkly stuff that's gonna be our pretend snow, and we're gonna tap that in the bottom there. We don't need a whole bunch right now, just a few. This is so fun and satisfying, pouring these Orbeez inside. I just love Orbeez. And I'm almost done. This isn't gonna take very long, I promise you. We're gonna put in some cute little gifts here, because that's what goes at the bottom of the tree, right?
Oh, show me one.
Oh my goodness, let me show you. And this is purple, my favorite color. I'll just push it on in there. Let's put some more presents, because my kids love to see gifts under the tree. We're gonna put some more Orbeez in here. Top it on off. Just like that. Put some, I don't know, what is this, cranberry?
So colorful.
Oh my goodness. This is so cute. It's like the Christmas tree is disappearing, right? I promise you, it's not disappeared. All right, we're almost there. We're almost there. A few more Orbeez. Let's top it on off. There we go. This is my favorite part, I think. Oh my goodness.
Looks very satisfying.
It is. Now we have some snowflakes. I'm almost done there. A couple more fixings. There we go. More satisfying Orbeez. Ooh. And this can go anywhere in your home. You can put this in your living room, dining room table. You can even put it on your nightstand. It's little jewelry. I promise the tree did not disappear. It is there. And then a couple more little jewels. These look like little charms. I'm gonna put them right in here with the beads. So stick it right there. All right. You can give this as a gift. Put some little cones in there. Some more Orbeez. And I promise you, we're almost done. The star. Why not? What tree doesn't have a star? Okay, last part. Some more Orbeez.
That's a meditation.
Yes. Look at that. Are you ready for the big reveal of what's in here? Okay.
Ooh.
There we go. Just add it in that water.
I see the color is popping.
There's the tree. I told you that tree was still there. We are almost there. I'm gonna turn the lights on as soon as we're finished. Look at those cones up there. They're just floating there.
Beautiful.
I love it. Perfect. We're gonna use our little stick, and we can just fix any pieces that we wanna move around, like this little tree. We could turn this one around to make it stand up. And poor little Santa, we wanna turn him around and make him stand up there for us. There we go. Good, we can move around our little cones, put them back in place where we had them. And if you have any bubbles, you can use your stick to knock those bubbles out or pop the bubbles. Someone would love this as a Christmas gift or a gift in their home around the holidays. You can make this fitting for any holiday or occasion. I think we're ready for the lights. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Look at that. This would be awesome on a table and as a centerpiece. To top it off, you can put a nice little candle there. And voila, it's done.
Ooh.
You love it?
Love it.
I do.
Gorgeous. A final review.
Yes, beautiful.